Hi guys, very good morning everyone. How are you guys?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Srikanth. Good morning guys. So as I did not get any assignment from anyone, I asked you to work with IRCTC site, right?
Sir, are you not
Yesterday I
getting
sent,
my
sir.
Sorry?
are you not getting my mail, sir? Lakshmi Chittappu.
No, I did not get anything. You sent anything on yesterday?
I
Yeah,
s-
Alert and Windows Java programs I got. Yeah, I got your email. Yeah.
From last 3-4 days I'm sending. So
Okay.
Yesterday
Windows
night I
1.
sent, sir.
Yeah, Windows 1 you practiced on IRCTC site, madam.
yes, sir.
It is working?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yeah, I got it. And one more, Deepa also I got one email. Selenium jars scripts. What is this, madam?
I worked out on all the syntaxes, sir. What you have told all the sessions.
Oh, you worked on all the syntaxes. Okay, perfect. So fine, guys. And Monica also I got the email. Web table assignment she sent. And where is the madam? Why you are putting all in Excel, madam? Why can't you put it into your Word file and send it to me?
Yes, sir. Actually, you have told me to send in Excel. That's why
No, in
2
the
weeks back.
Excel, all the syntaxes I told, but coming to the script and all, whatever you have written, you can put it into your Word and send it to me. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. So web table, I am seeing your assignment. Perfect, madam. Yeah. Okay. So is Santoshi is there in the call? Yeah. Santoshi, yeah, you said you are having some doubts on the manual side, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I did not get chance to go through your test cases. Let me pull it off.
Okay.
Okay. So what is your doubt, madam, in the manual side?
Actually, coming to this
Srikanth, I did not get assignment from you.
Sir,
Can you please?
I send you by today, sir.
Okay.
I will send. Definitely.
Perfect. Yeah, Santoshi, please go ahead, madam. What is your doubt?
actually, in balance in our online testing
No, a lot of disturbance is coming from your end, madam.
Sir, actually, I will sir, I will send it through email, sir. What I have doubt on.
Yeah, please send it,
manual.
madam. Sure.
Okay.
Please send it. We'll see. Sure. Right, guys. So we have seen last session how to work with the multiple windows and all. Did anybody remember the syntax switch to window? Because in the interviews and all, guys, they are going to ask you different syntaxes, which you need to open the notepad and you need to write the all the syntaxes. How to switch to frames, how to switch to window, how to switch to alert. All the syntaxes they're going to ask you. You have to remember all the syntaxes. Okay. So for the alert will be there. For clicking on OK button, what is the syntax, guys?
Driver dot switch to
Switch.
dot alert dot click.
Dot
Accept.
accept.
Dot accept. Yeah.
In order to click on cancel button, madam.
Dismiss. You have to use.
Yeah,
Dismiss.
dismiss we need to use. To enter the data into the alert, which method we are going to use?
Send
Send
keys.
key.
Yeah, send keys is the method we need to use. To switch to the window, madam, what is the syntax?
Get handle, sir.
Yeah, switch to the window. Driver dot switch to dot window. You need to
Window.
provide window ID, right?
Okay.
To get the
Yeah.
main handle, main window, what is the syntax? To get the main window, madam, main window ID, what is the syntax? Driver dot get window handle. To get all the window IDs, driver dot get window handles we need to use.
Handles.
Yeah, window handles is going to return what?
All the window.
All the window IDs.
ID.
Returns what? It is a list or set?
List.
No, by actually it is going to return set. Okay, it is going to return set. Later we will discuss on it. Please remember, it is going to return what? It is going to return on set, madam. It is going to return on set. I am converting that into list actually. Okay. So multiple windows. You can put your mouse here. This is the example you have seen yesterday, right? You can put your mouse here. See what it is written type.
Set.
Guys, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What it is going to written? It is going to written actually set. Okay. Set it is going to written. But we are converting that set, whatever it is returning into what? List. Okay. So list and set are both are collections only, but set will store only the unique elements, but list will be storing all the elements in index basis. To iterate each window and all, I have used list here. I am converting this set into what? List. But get window handles always will return what, guys? Set only. Please remember this point. Okay. So with this set, I am converting that into array list to iterate each window ID, and for our convenience, I converted it into what? List. Okay. Perfect. This is what we have seen in last session, right? Perfect.
Yes.
So today we're going to see different things, guys. Okay. Today we're going to see different things. We're going to work with so sliders we're going to work with, and scroll up, scroll down, how we can do it and all.
Do
Different.
we use alert boxes for the pop-ups, sir?
Which pop-up, madam?
Pop-up windows. It's like in ISRTC site, we are getting pop-up for the flights and all. So many pop-ups are there in that when we press on flight tab.
The
We're
allow the
getting
Okay,
notifications. You want any
I'm going
notifications?
to the IRCTC site. This is the IRCTC site. Okay, what pop-up you are talking about?
when we press on flights.
Okay, yet to load.
Mhm.
Let it load.
Even for contact.
Guys, Selenium is having huge number of openings. Please try to learn perfectly. Be practice more and more. Okay, so what do you want me to click on, madam? Flights.
Flights.
Okay. I clicked on flights. What pop-up you are talking about?
We'll get it on the top, sir. Yeah, that one.
This
Because
one.
of that, we cannot close it immediately. Yeah.
This one. It is not a pop-up, right? So please
It's
try to
alert.
identify. Please try to can accept and verify how it is displaying.
It says window pop-up.
No,
So
it
that's
says, see, it is the button, right? It is showing button. If it will
Oh,
be
okay.
alert, it is not. It is not going to identify, guys. If it is a alert, it is not going to identify anything. I will show you.
Mhm.
So see, for example, this alert will be there. Please try to see nothing. You will not get any inspect also on your alert. Okay, for example, F12 you can you can right click on it and all. No, nothing will be there. For example, I want to inspect it. Okay, click on this and I want to inspect this. Nothing. It is not at all going to inspect anything. Okay, if it is an alert, you cannot inspect anything because you cannot able to identify this one. Okay, so that is the simple example for you. Whereas in IRCTC site, yeah, whereas here, so this is the button. Clearly, it is giving here. Write the XPath for it, and that's it. Click on this button. Okay, madam, are you clear? If you are not able to identify anything and all, then you need to go with alert. But it is identifying as a button here. So you need to just write the XPath for it and click on that button. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Guys, I uploaded all these into shared drive yesterday. What you need to do is just go here. Whatever the class files so far we have discussed, everything I uploaded into the documents. You can go the automation testing. You can refer see until today's class, yesterday's class. All the files I uploaded here. You can take from here and try to practice it, guys. Okay. So yeah, already everyone is having access to this folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Fine, guys. So today we're going to see different things, how we can perform and all. Okay. So for example, I'm going to open one website, guys. I'm going to open one website. Amazon.in is there. Okay. Amazon.in. Yes. Can you observe here? Okay. I'm going on scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. Okay. Or you can search with something like here. Search with mm, Bluetooth speaker. Search with what? Bluetooth speaker. Click on search. See, you are going to see so many things here. You're going to see scrolling down, scrolling down. See, these are all Bluetooth speakers. Scrolling down, scrolling down. See, you keep on scrolling down. I want to perform this operation. Okay, I want to perform this operation. Scrolling down operation. That is only possible with by using JavaScript. Let me create. Guys, where we are with the Java videos? Where we are with the Java videos, guys?
12th video, sir.
Why, madam, why you are taking so much time? Are you guys
12 videos.
following or not following?
Last video, sir.
Okay.
Exception.
Okay, everything is clear, madam? Or any confusions, anything, any doubts on that and all?
Clear,
Sir,
sir.
can you explain again exception?
No, no. Have you gone through it?
I gone through it a little bit.
But
doubt
what is
on
your
that.
doubt?
We should we should take in that line exception. After that some doubts are there. Many exceptions are there, no sir.
Yeah. See, exception handling is something like when you are getting any issue and all. Okay, so
I mean that error handling and difference of that exceptions and error handling.
error is something you cannot recover. Okay, error is something like you cannot recover. But exceptions, see, very simple. You are going in the car driving and all. If some puncture happened to your car, you need to recover from that situation, correct? So
Yeah.
you're going to replace with your stepney and all, and then you can continue. That is the exception. Error means major accident happened to our car. Car will not move. Then what is the recovery over there? Nothing. No recovery, nothing. You need to struck there only. So error means which you cannot recover. Like memory out of errors, you may get it. Okay. Or some other errors like your machine is not having enough space. These are all the errors. You cannot recover from there. But exception means which is something like in runtime we are going to get some issue which you need to recover from there. Otherwise, your script execution will stop there only. It will not continue if at all you did not catch that exception. So yeah. So for example, divided by 0 exception is there. You are dividing by 0. So if you did not catch that exception, your execution will stop there only. It will not continue. If you did not handle the exceptions, your execution will stop there. It will not continue the execution. So I don't want to stop there. I want to continue with other test cases and all. Then what do I need to do? I need to put whatever the code I am writing in try block, and I need to catch the exceptions. Then smoothly my execution will continue, though I will get any type of exception. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, exceptions handling is something like whatever the code you are writing, it should be in try block, and in the catch block, what different type of exceptions we may occurred in our try block, those exceptions you need to catch it. If you want to do mandatorily something, then we need to put that code into where? In the
Finally.
finally block. Okay. So to handle those exceptions and all, we need to use the try catch finally in real time. Are you getting my point, guys? So in the try block, you need to put whatever the code you may think that you may get an exception. That code you need to put it into a try block. If you did not put in try block, what will happen?
It may
Execution
goes
will.
to
No, if we will get any exception, it will stop there only. It will not
then
continue.
catch.
Yeah. So that is the reason you need to put the your code into try block. And you need to, whatever the exception you think you may get it, you need to catch that exception. Otherwise, you cannot able to continue. Okay. So error means which you cannot recover. Exception means which you can recover from there. Okay. So yeah, exception means some runtime issue you are getting, which script cannot able to proceed further. Okay. So this is about the exception and error, guys. Are you clear, Srikanth?
Yeah, clear.
Perfect. So I'm going to take the Amazon site, guys. I want to do the Amazon.in, and I am going to upload few more videos today, guys. Please try to go through it. Okay, perfect. So you can see here, Amazon site. I want to take this element. I want to take this element. Let me open the selectors hub. Okay, which element I want to, guys? This element I want to open. Okay, to ID is there. Let me take this one. I want to enter what, guys, in the Amazon? I want to enter. How we can enter? Find element.
Dots and keys.
Find element by dot xpath
Dot get.
dot send.
Send.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, I want to enter Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speaker. Okay, I entered it. Fine. Next, what I need to do, guys, the Bluetooth speaker, after I enter, I need to click on the search button. Let me take the XPath for the search button. Okay, this is the search button. Take this XPath driver dot find element by dot XPath. Guys, selectors hub, everyone is using.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. But you need to know how it is generating and all. This syntax, are you understanding or not?
Yes.
Why
Yes, sir.
I did not explain you selector sub in the very beginning? Because you need to know the syntax. That is the reason we have discussed. Perfect. It's going to click on it. Now it is going to display Bluetooth speakers here, for example. Okay. Now it is going to display this one, this page. Now I want to iterate. I want to scroll down. I want to do it. What I want to do? I want to do scroll down and all. For that, we need to use the JavaScript. JavaScript need to use for scroll up or scroll down. Okay, scroll up or scroll down, we need to use the JavaScript executor, guys. Okay, we need to use what, guys? JavaScript executor. Very simple, carefully understand here. We are going to use what, guys? Remote WebDriver here. Okay, we're going to use remote WebDriver. This, I can say it as a typecasting, guys. I can say it as a typecasting. So remote WebDriver execute script will be there. You can use this one. Execute script. What script I want to do here? I want to do scroll up and scroll down. Window dot scroll by. Window dot scroll by. I want to do y-axis 0 to 200. I want to do it. I want to do it what? 0 to 200. Left, and this one you can give just empty double quotes. You don't need to pass. Okay. So what it is going to do, guys? For example, the same operation I want to do for 10 times or 20 times. I'm going to put that into a for loop. less than equal to 20 times I want to do it. Okay, I plus plus. At 20 times I want to what I want to do, guys. I want to windowed or scroll by. What we are doing, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So y-axis 200, it is going to 200 pixels, it is going to come down every time. This 20 times I want to do it. Similar way, I want to do it for scroll up also. Anyone guess it? Scroll up, I want to do what change I need to do here? Just 0, 200. I'm going to give minus 200. Okay. So then it is going to be what it is going to do? Scroll up, it is going to do. This is for the top to bottom, bottom to up. If you are having bottom also some scrollers will be there. Did you observe any time? Bottom also in any browser we can scroll to left or scroll to right, it will be there. Then you need to play with what? X-axis. Okay, perfect. So now try to run this script and see here. Guys, whatever the syntaxes I am telling. So you need to remember all these syntaxes. Okay, how I remember, you have to remember all these syntaxes and all. See how scroll up and scroll down it is doing. Guys, did you observe it? Guys, everyone is observed? Like this way, the scroll operation is going to work. Okay, so you're going to do 0, y-axis I have given, and this one is what, guys? X-axis and y-axis I have given. If you want, as I told you, bottom left to right, right to left will be there. Then you can play with what? X-axis. Okay, like this way you can work with the like this way you can work with the sliders, guys. I mean, scroll up and scroll down you can do by using this. Okay, perfect. Now very important concept we are going to discuss now, guys. So let me open Paint here. I want to perform mouse operations, guys. Which operations I want to perform? I want to perform my mouse operations. With mouse only you can perform some operations and all. Okay, with mouse only we can perform some operations. So I want to perform my mouse operation, or sometimes I need to use my keyboard also. Sometimes my keyboard operation I want to perform. Okay, mouse operation or keyboard operation I want to perform. So by sometimes in the real-time scenarios and all, like how manually user enters the data, similar way I need to enter. Like mouse operation already you know, some of the controls and all, you need to navigate to that menu, then only it will open and you need to perform the operation and all. For all these, actions class will be there, which is helping us to perform the mouse operations and keyboard operations and all. So whenever you want to perform any mouse or keyboard operations, you need to create object to actions class. But actions class is accepting your driver you need to provide. Okay, actions class is required what, guys? Your driver. You need to create object to what, guys? Actions class. You need to create object to actions class. Then by using this reference variable, okay, you are creating an object and you are keeping it into this reference variable. By using that reference variable, you can perform different operations. You can perform move to element. You want to move to some element and all. And after moving to the element, you want to perform, after move to element, you need to provide here your element, guys. And you want to perform any click operation on that particular element and all, you can do it. Or a dot drag and drop, you want to do it, you can able to do drag and drop. Okay, or you want to perform move to particular element and you want to do the send keys. Yes, you can do the send keys operation. All these different methods are there, guys. Okay, main use of actions class is what, guys? To perform the mouse operations and keyboard operations you are going to use. Okay, so actions class is providing different operations for us to perform our mouse movements and all. We can do it by using actions class, guys. Okay, let me try to discuss some of the things today. Okay, let me go to the some new class. Let me try to create. Perfect. Actions class I am creating. Okay, actions class I am creating. Let me show you one application. Let me show you the similar way. I'm going to internet hierarchy application is there, right? Okay, perfect. Go to this application. What will be there in this application? UI menus here. UI menus will be there. Okay, guys. Now this is the menu I am having. See, when I place my mouse, then only this menu is opening. Did you observe it? When I place my mouse, then how we can automate this? Because normal way not at all possible. We need to use the what? Actions class. See, when I place mouse, then only it is opening, then only it is opening. For example, now I want to click on this Excel. How I can click on? Guys, are you understanding my point? So how I need to click on? See, when I place mouse, then only it is opening. Otherwise, it is not opening. So first, let me get the inspect it. Please try to get these elements. First, this enabled. Try to get the XPath for it. First, I need to go to this menu. Please change it here. This menu, I want to go perfect. After going to this menu, I need the elements, right? So I'm taking web element. First one is what? Enabled equal to. Web element enabled equal to. So this is the XPath it has given. Driver dot find element. Guys, by dot XPath. Okay, already you know this part. This is a web element. Please try to import it. This is a web element. Similarly, I want let me assume downloads is there. I want XPath for downloads also. See, this is the XPath. So web element downloads equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, this is for the downloads, guys. Similar way, I want Excel. Very simple. Come here. I want Excel also. Okay, please inspect it. So take this XPath. Web element. What is, guys? Excel equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, these are all the three elements are there. Now I want to perform mouse operation. How you can perform, guys? As I told you, new actions of driver you need to take. Now actions class you need to import, guys. You can import the actions class. Okay, perfect. A dot. I'm going to use the move to element. First, which element we want to move, guys?
Enable.
Enabled we need to move. Once we move to enabled, I want to wait for pause method will be there. I want to wait for here seconds, guys. I want to wait for just 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. Okay, fine. Dot. Next, what? Again, I need to move to the which element? Again, I need to move to from there to downloads. Okay, I need to move to the element downloads. I have to move. Again, I'm giving pause for 2 seconds. Pause means already you understand, right? Pause means just your control will stop there for 2 seconds. Okay. Next which element we need to go for?
Excel.
Excel exam. Okay. And then what I want to do, I want to click on the Excel, right? I want to click on the Excel. Once move to the Excel, I want to click on it. Dot build dot perform you need to use. Okay. Build dot perform means what it is going to do is it is going to build all these statements. It is going to build it and then it is going to perform it. Okay, whatever the statements you have written, build.perform is common whenever you are using any actions class. Compulsorily you need to give build.perform. What is the use of it? It is going to build all these statements and then it is going to perform. Guys, this statement is clear for everyone what we are doing. So just we are moving to particular element, and then we are clicking on the particular element and all. Can we see whether it is working or not? Please carefully understand. Okay, see, enabled. See, Excel is downloaded successfully, guys. Excel is downloaded successfully. Okay, like this way you can work with actions class, guys. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, what you are doing, just you are moving to the particular element. Without action class, this operation is not at all possible, guys. Because mouse operations are, these operations you can do only by using actions class. Okay, actions class is mainly for what? Keyboard and mouse operations. Okay, perfect. So next, one more example I'm going to show you. Okay, one more example I'm going to show you, like how to perform the drag and drop operation. Okay, I want to perform drag and drop operation and all. How we can perform, guys? See, carefully understand here. One more website. Let me take the same application only. Drag and drop. See, you can see here drag and drop. I want to drag this one to here. See, A is coming here now. Okay, again, A is coming here. I want to perform this drag and drop operation. Can we do it, guys? So actions class, I told you, and I want to perform which operation, guys? Drag and drop operation. Okay, drag and drop operation I'm going to do it. Very simple, guys. Guys, we no need to give this every time, this path and all, we no need to give. Tomorrow I'm going to tell you what is the alternative for it and how we can overcome giving this path and all. That will be possible with WebDriver Manager. I'm going to tell you tomorrow. Okay, so fine. So come back here. This menu I have given. I want to do what operation, guys? I want to do drag and drop. That is also mouse only. You need to perform that operation, right? So drag and drop. Without mouse, can we perform that operation?
No,
Yes,
sir.
guys, drag and drop. Can we?
No.
No, right? So drag and drop. Perfect. Actions is there. I want to perform drag and drop. Which operations? First, I need to take these two elements. Okay, first I need to take these two elements. Okay, column A is there here. Delta XPath, copy it. Web element
Web element, yeah.
and drag A equal to what we need to write, guys? Driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, this is the one element where we need to drag. Another element is drag B equal to driver dot find element. What do you need to do, guys? This element B. Okay, here this is the XPath. So find element. What you need to do, guys? By dot XPath you need to take. So this is the XPath. Two elements are there. Now I want to drag from. Element drag A to drag B. Very simple, guys. A dot drag and drop directly method will be there. You need to pass your source and target. Okay, you need to pass your source and target. That's it. This is the simple syntax. Drag A, drag B. I have given dot. What I need to perform, guys? Build dot perform. Build dot perform. That's it. This is what you are going to do. Drag and drop and all. Okay. Drag and drop and all. You are going to do it. Perfect. So please try to execute this program and see. It is also going to do drag and drop operation, guys. What happened, guys? Is it performed or not? It seems it is not performed, right? Okay, let me run it again. See, it is clicking on A, but it is not dropping at B. It is clicking on A, but not dropping. So this is your drag A and this is your drag B. Like manually how it is working? It is working, right? Manually it is working everything. Okay, manually everything is working here. Okay, that's fine. So drag and drop is not happening. So let me. Why it is not happening? So let me try to inspect this element. See, this is A, right? This is A, we are trying to inspect it. Okay, column A we are getting. See, this is a div is there. Okay. Header is A. This is fine. This is the div actually. Okay, that's fine. So what you are trying to do, you are trying to drag this column A to column B. Okay, this is our column B. But why this operation is not performing? A dot drag and drop. Drag A, comma, drag B you have given. Perfect. No issues are there here. Drag and drop operation we are trying to perform, guys. Okay, but it should work. It should work. Let me show you with other example. Okay, later we will see why it is not working here and all. Let me show with other example how it is performing drag and drop operation and all. You can see anywhere here drag and drop. See, draggable is there or droppable is there. See, now I want to drag from here to here. Okay, I want to drag from here to here. Can we see this? Drag and drop. Very simple. So take this. Okay, same example only I'm changing. Later I will see why it is not working there and all. So first I need to get the inspected. Inspect it and go to the selectors hub. Okay, inspect this element. See, try to export is coming. Take this. Take this draggable. Similar way dropped is there. You can take this element also. See, here it is giving what? This is inside iframe. Switch iframe to access through this automation. Very good. What guys? This element is where? In the
Frames.
frames.
I-
How to switch to the frames, guys?
Driver dot switch to dot frame.
Correct. So just I'm giving driver dot switch to dot frame. Okay, I'm giving just 0 index 0. I am giving. Let me see whether it is See, now I am performing. This is just I changed these locators and same syntax and all. Now let me try to execute and see here how it is performing. Same syntax, nothing I have changed. See, successfully it is performing. It is dragging from here to here. Okay. So like this way we can perform the drag and drop operation. But sometimes you know what happened. This is so droppable is here. Okay. Draggable is also there. So where you can drag it and all different mode using the mouse, that is fine. Selectable, what is this one? Okay, fine. Okay, so like this way you can perform the drag and drop operation, guys. Is it fine for everyone? Similar way you want to do it for drag and drop by also, one more will be there. Okay, drag and drop by anywhere slider is there. Guys, this one is there. For example, I want to slide little bit to over here. How you can perform this operation? Can we do this operation with the keyboard? No, we need to use the mouse only. Okay, then we have to use the actions class. I want to move this bar to somewhere. How we can do that? Can we try that? So I want to move, guys. Very simple. Drag and drop example only. Let me create another class. Okay, another class is drag and drop by example. Okay, fine. Guys, every day I'm going to put all these class files into a shared drive. You can access from there. So drag and drop by. So far we have seen, yeah, these are all the different things. It is also a frame only. Let me give, it is also a frame only, but my URL is different, slider. Okay, take this URL. Fine. Now I want to do, which method I want to use, guys? First, you need to create a what? Actions A equal to new actions of what you need to use, guys? Driver you need to use. Perfect. So next, I want to take the one web element, right? Web element slider equal to web element slider we need, guys. So where is this slider? So here it is there. So in the slider, I want the locator for this. Okay, I want the locator for this. What I want, guys, I want the locator for this, guys. Inspect it. See, it is inside of a frame. It is also showing here frame XPath. Okay, and relative XPath and all it is showing. But I want the locator for this. How we can identify locator for this? It is the frame. Frame XPath it is showing, but slider, jQuery, JSPath, class name, tag name. See what is there here? Only class is there. This is only class is there. Okay, CSS selector it is taking. Whatever it is, we don't need to worry much about that. Okay, let me take this XPath only. We'll see how it is working. Driver dot find element. Driver dot find element by dot XPath only, right?
Yes.
XPath.
Yes, sir.
Just copy this, whatever it is. Let me see whether it is working or not. Okay, fine. This XPaths I have taken. This is the web element. Fine. So now I want to do what operation, guys? A dot drag and drop by one more method will be there. What you need to pass here? See the syntax. Source you need to provide, X coordinate and Y coordinate you need to provide. For example, you are moving from here to here. You're moving from here to here. You are changing X coordinate or Y coordinate?
Coordinate.
X coordinate you are changing. Y means it is same. Okay, Y means you are not doing top to bottom, right? This is Y. Top to bottom you are doing, this is Y. But you are doing here left to right. So it means X coordinate is changing. Perfect. So what operation you need to perform, guys? A dot. Which method you need to use here? Because you don't know what is the target location here. See, in this example, you don't know what is target. Target doesn't have any locator, right? Just you need to do it by using X and Y coordinates only. That is only the possible way. Slider and X coordinate I want to give, for example, 300 I want to give, okay? And Y coordinate 0 only I want to give. Dot, which one we need to use? Build dot.
Will not
Perfect.
perform.
That's it. Okay. Now the slider is going to be 300 pixels. It is going to left to right, and where you are going to see here. Let me run this program and see carefully here. Why, guys, X coordinate is not identifying, it seems. It performed the operation, but where it is performed, see, nothing is happened here. See, you got a error. No such element exception, unable to locate element. The selector is not working, guys. Whatever the selector is there, the selector, it is not working. So 1 minute,
It is
guys.
there in the frame, I think. No, sir. It
No,
showed as a frame.
no, we switch to the frame, right?
Oh, yeah, we switched to the frame.
Yeah, we switch to the frame. Let me close all this. Now come back here. What you need locator for this. Okay, manually, let me try to write. Tab index 0 is there. For example, UI slider handle is there. Okay, let me try to use this class name. Okay, let me try to write the XPath for it. What is we need this, right? This is the span we are having. Okay. I need see, CSS selector is not working, span, okay. Index, it is fine. jQuery you can use. jQuery, JS path you can use, that's fine. Class name we can use, but class name is not working. Can I give span here? Oh, so many spans are there. Okay, that's fine. Let me try to write the manually the XPath, guys, for this, how it is working. So inspect it. This is the span it is showing, and class name is there. / span contains @class, comma. Okay, 1 of 1 it is showing successfully. The XPath we have taken. Okay, perfect. Come back here. Instead of this, I want to give that XPath, whatever we have written so far. Okay, this is the XPath we have written. Perfect. Now try to execute this program and see carefully. See, it is working fine, right? See,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
the drag and drop by is happening properly. So when you don't know the target locator, then you need to use drag and drop by. You know the target locator, then you can use the drag and drop. Okay. So, and some more methods also there, guys, in the actions class, like how to perform the click and hold, different operations. I want to perform different operations. For example, here, selectable is there. See, okay. For example, I want to hold this and come to this another menu. Can we do this without a mouse? We cannot do this. What do we need to do? Click on it and hold it and move to another element. So these are all, some more operations are there, how we can perform with the mouse, and all those operations we are going to learn. Even tomorrow also we're going to work with actions class, how we can perform different operations and all. Okay. And then we will go with the other topics and all, like how to work with the Excel sheets and all. Okay. And how to work with the read the data from the Excel and the properties files, and how to upload file, we can do it. Okay, so different things are there, guys. We will see. Okay, slowly, and then we will enter into the advanced stuff, guys, how we can do the things and all. Okay, so right, guys, anything else we need to discuss today? I'm going to upload some more videos on Java site. Please watch it and let me know any questions and all. Okay, right, guys, thank you so much. Any other questions, anything for today? I'm going to put all these programs, whatever we have done today. We have done what are all the videos, what are all the things, guys? Drag and drop by, and we worked with the slider. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
So slider we started with, and drag and drop by we have. And before that, any other program we have done today? No, right?
Rolled.
That is what we know. Slider example. Okay. Perfect, guys. So actions example also we have seen, like this one also we have seen. So these are 4 files I'm going to put with the today's date. You can access from there and try to practice it. Okay. Right, guys. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Thank you.